morning, traders. Welcome. Before we begin, please remember that trading is risky and you can lose all your capital, so please don't take my trades. Do this at your own risk. I do it for entertainment purposes and for my own accountability. Educational purposes, if you will. So please don't take my trades. You can share if you want, but please don't take my trades. All right, let's move on. Let's start with the dollar. Very busy because we did have CPI. So we did have CPI, core CPI, and the year over year. The year over year is coming down to 3.7, but the month over month is not good, 0.6. Core CPI is 0.3, which is a bit higher of the expectations, but not as a surprise. Okay, perfect. So the dollar is a neutral bearish sentiment. So that means, strictly talking, some bullishness on the equity markets, and it's translated into it a little bit, right? After the CPI, the market came down. Oh, I have no way to show it here. I'll let's do this. All right, so this is the 30-minute. After the CPI, we spiked down and then we recovered the entire candle on a very high volume for the news. Here is the next 30 minutes. So we are sitting above the high volume node that I've had for the last 1, 2, 3 days. So we're sitting above. But now let's review the dollar, because the dollar is one thing that can give us a good clue here. Okay, so the dollar came here, ended up dropping yesterday after the market closed. We had a sudden drop here on the dollar, and we're trying to recover here. The London Open was here was the London Open, so we're actually trading below London Open. Okay. So one of the things that is very important for me is that the gap has been respected from Sunday. Okay, so this gap is being respected. This area, the break and retest worked partially. I don't think if the dollar comes back here, we might have some sort of retracement, but I will have to have the ES up in the 45-25 areas for this thing to be a high probability. We'll see what happens. The dollar is pretty sideways for the week. We haven't broken any range yet. So I will expect the dollar to bounce here temporarily, and that could be a nice tradable reaction to the downside on the equity markets. Let me review here the commodities, because crude oil is almost at $90, but look at this. So gold and copper is more neutral, but gold is neutral bullish. So when we have this, we have a mixed bag on the commodities. That means that the dollar move might be not legit. So if the dollar ends up going up today, I will have to see these guys going down. If not, we're off. If not, I probably won't pay attention too much to the dollar today, especially after this drop, which is very nice drop after market open. Obviously the market was after market close, and obviously the market was closed. It didn't move at all. Okay, neither we had any special gap at 6. So All right. So let's go to the trading window. And the market is going up as we speak, right? Um, yeah, so there you go. So I will need this to show in all charts. Yeah, and why is not showing up in this chart? Oh, it's this one. There you go. So I have some confluence here. I have this area from yesterday that was a demand here. And now, oh, we traded above and we traded below. So we get rid of that one. We broke the overnight high. Very bullish. Very bullish. I would like to see the dollar. If it reaches 43, I might short this. But for now, I'm just staying put. The advanced decline, very and not very bullish, but quite it's going up. Tick chart plus 400, nothing spectacular. All right, so we have this here. Let me put this risk at 35 bucks, right? And let's see if I can take this thing. Just one contract. I would like to see aggressive sellers stepping in here. Now, I will consider the CPI result a bad news, but the market is not going down, so that's should be some sort of clue of what is coming for today. All right, there you go. I will try to short this thing here if it gets me. If it gets me the entry. If it gets me the entry. Fuck me. Yeah. No. We didn't catch this. I was friggin' talking here. But this was a nice setup here. So my question right now is, okay, so where can I get in again? Where can I get in this short? So new 5 minutes. In 15 seconds. Let's see if we can have the push here. New 5. The sellers are there, but they're not very aggressive. So I will take my short out. Take my short off, and I will see if after we get in this area again, if we get to this area again, seller steps in a more aggressive manner. Yeah, sellers are present there, but they're not pushing prices down. Quite the opposite. Buyers are very aggressive up there. Yes. See if we can have some sort of exhaustion, Ali, or a divergence on the advanced decline. A divergence is very likely to happen if we break the upside, if we break the high. Dollar is has a red candle on the 5 minutes, but it is not going through. I'm ready to sell at 26, 25, around that, but I just need to see the aggressive sellers coming into the market. Wow, a lot of buyers there trying to sell, trying to buy. There we go. So buyers are trying to push this up. Sellers are stepping in around 25, 24. For the first time, right? Now advanced decline is coming down big time. Um, I want to go see the things. We are reaching some supply there, but yeah, I want to see this coming into 25. So I will go around 27. Yeah, so I can risk the entire area. There you go. Yeah, this thing is forget about it, bro. It's dropping. So it's dropping off of our area, and I did have the signal here, but I was talking and not watching the. I was talking on the YouTube. I was not watching the footprint chart. So this is not bad that we created this um value area here. Now, if we go above, a bunch of short stops are gonna be here, like around 25 or 26. So my order is at 27 to sell short. We might not even get to 27. Mm? Yeah. It's just 15 minutes into a trading session. But this looks like a lot of buyers piling in here and stopping people out here. Take it above. Yeah, the dollar is at supply. Let's see what the dollar is in supply. Let's see what it does there. It's a very short-term supply, so I don't think it's a 5-minute supply right after CPI. So we had our zone. We didn't take it. What the fuck? And instead of this is going to be a tradable reaction. I can. It's too much for it to go like to this level. I don't think the dollar has room to go up. It has a lot of pivot above, and this is gonna be a tradable reaction for a 2 to 1. I don't want to get into this shop, bro. What do you say? It's hard to wait when when the thing is going. Get like see that? Yeah, the dollar is freaking going up, and it's gonna go to supply, and my short is not gonna work if the dollar gets to supply. Advanced decline is a beauty. Advanced decline is a beauty. Seven minutes for 10 a.m. So yeah, we did have the signal, but I was distracted. Same to you, Toto. So 5 minutes, and we could get a spike to see where we can trade this thing to. Like I said on the pre-market, I was inclined to the short side. It got to the to our sell area right here, and is selling off. My order was here, like like this. We had a perfect signal. Even if I didn't get in here, I could have gotten in here, but I was distracted. Like at 24, 24, 19 plus 5. Yeah, probably would have gotten break even. Um, I still have the order there. I would I would not take this if the dollar gets to the level of 104,800, 104, 104.80. Three more minutes. Bunch of stop. The majority of stops are right here. 24. Majority. So when we get to 24, if we see that trigger, that stop triggering, that's our signal. Yo, pay attention to the exhaustion, right? Two minutes for the 5 and the 30 and the 4 hours. No, we made a new low. We need a fresh new low there. So 10 seconds. What? Yeah. Yeah, I do use volume profile. Watch video that I posted on Monday. I use 4 things to look for my levels. This is yesterday's COT combined with the previous day's COT. Also in the description of this video, there's a volume profile. I think there's a volume profile, a video link in the description. Oh my god. It's hard to wait when prices are going in the other direction. Right? Yeah. Why I need my conscience here? This guy.
Where you have 4 hours, have like 20 more minutes.
Yeah. I don't know. Like if we will reach 27, it looks very unlikely right now. Unless this one, the fangs push this thing up. That might be it. The thing is that if we reach that level, If we reach that level, momentum is going to be against us, which I'm fine with it. Like location is good. Um, intermediate time frame is good. It's just a tradable reaction. No problem. So I did have this level yesterday. We did have this level. We took a short in the afternoon out of this level. I'll probably make a video. I have a recording though. I, I don't want to get trapped in this chop, to be honest. It's hard to wait when it's going in the other direction, but it is what it is. Unless something is created here, you could argue that yeah, a lot of orders are here.
Yeah, but we haven't had like an aggressive move.
What?
We haven't had an aggressive move. Been like
Yeah, it's just
slowly going down, slowly dropping.
yeah, but we had an area there, and due to the fact that we came here with this momentum to the upside and a wall of sellers stepped in. To be honest, I don't know about the long. I don't know about the long now. Advanced decline is aggressively going down, big time.
We can finally be seeing some exhaustion.
You want to take this too long? I don't know. Well, dollar.
Having an exhaustion. I don't know if I'm gonna take it, but dollar is in a pivot. I don't know.
Yeah, dollar's in a pivot, so yeah, you're having some exhaustion there. I don't know. To uh, so I'm gonna pay attention to this. Okay, we did have exhaustion. We did have exhaustion. Um, let's see if we can have aggressive buyers there, like aggressive buyers. No, nothing, bro. They're trap buyers there. There are trap buyers. Fuck me. It's going without us, bro. Now we're reaching the demand again. Some buyers stepping in there. Some. Some buyers are stepping in there. Looks like they're gonna get trapped. Huh? Oh, you're in it?
Okay, so 13. I'm doing on my.
Okay, okay. Yeah. New 5 in 30 seconds.
In the pushing.
To be honest, I rather the long, but if I see again buyers stepping in below '09, I will engage in this. For travel reaction, just the yeah.
That's what I'm thinking.
Hmm?
Things that the ticket spiking big time. Dollar is a slight pivot.
It is. Yeah, yeah. No, I like the dollar for it. I like the dollar for the long.
Like a little push volume.
You're a break even. Nice. $14, right? Oh, there you go. You're right
No,
there.
not yet.
2 more ticks.
This one.
Fuck me. Fuck me. What the fuck? Shit.
Yeah.
Took you out?
Yeah.
No fucking way. At break even? Wow. You were how much? Like one tick?
That was one tick away.
One tick away? Oh shit. I'm gonna get in this thing long. I'm in it. I'm in it. Yeah.
Reaction.
Yeah. They're gonna take me out real quick.
Thought it is wrong.
That's not good. There were a lot of buyers there. They disappeared. I understand that. You know what? I think I'm gonna bail this thing and lose just 17 bucks. Hmm?
Buyers. There's not enough buying pressure there.
No, no, no. Yeah, this thing is not going. Yeah, I'm gonna be stopped out. Oh shit, I could have gone break even here. I hesitated. Nah. Yeah, 1750. Just fine. Yeah, I'm out of it. Yeah. Now we're having a divergence on the advanced line.
And you said it pre-morning.
What?
So we're gonna bishop.
Yeah, no, the short is very probable. Now we're having a divergence on the advanced line. Let's see if we have any type of signal here. I mean, try buyers are trying to push, but they have no strength. Sellers are stronger there. I mean, a long, but yeah, like a overwhelmingly majority of buyers, and this thing is not going up. The dollar is trying to push down, which is okay. Now Tick is exhausted. Now Tick is exhausted. So I'm trying to reach this pivot here. If it if it goes, it doesn't look like very likely.
Bison just stepping. There's no push.
Oof. No bueno. That's not good, guys. That is not good. I'm gonna be at break even. Um, yeah, that's not good. Sellers are stronger. Period. If we happen to win this trade, that's is okay. But yeah, sellers are showing more strength. At least we had the divergence on the advanced decline. Yeah, a lot of short covering right there. A lot of sellers being squeezed. All right, so I have this like my initial resistance here. Like, if we don't break this, I might bail out the trade. Let me put it closer though. All right, so 500 on the volume profile. Oof, 500 to 200. You see that?
Yeah.
Shit. Um, that's not good. A lot of sellers there. A lot. Yeah.
How far are you from target?
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to bail out this trade probably. Let's see if buyers are stronger there. It looks like, yeah. It looks like all the shorts yeah. So I reached my target. Nice. Thanks, buddy. I'm plus one. I lost one. I lost one. I made one. I made two. Actually, I'm 1.5 of. You leaving? All right. So yeah, terrible reaction here. The dollar is look at the dollar. So the dollar reached this level. When the dollar reached this level, Ali and I we started to do longs. Now I lost the first trade right here. Like I took this one. It was a pretty bad trade, to be honest. It was a very bad trade. Um, I was barely one tick up, and then they stopped me out here. But things changed here. We did have some. We didn't have exhaustion here. Actually, the exhaustion we had it at 05. It was right here, 4.5. This one. This is the exhaustion setup. So this is the exhaustion that we saw. Um, right at the buying area that we had. Um, Uh, it might continue to the upside. Market is sideways. Yes, it dropped from the supply, but now it's going up from the demand. And the dollar is very coherent. The dollar is giving us very clear signals. Like here, I was distracted. I don't know if I would have gotten this trade actually because um unless I got like the very top, which is very unlikely for me. I usually take this ones, right? Like I don't take here. I had 27, never got to 27. From yeah, so today it's been very accurate. The supply and demand thing, like 40, 26, and then oh 09. Oh 09 is working. Mm. Yeah, with commissions, I'm actually +1. I'm gonna take 5 minutes. I'm gonna go get a coffee. See you in a little bit, guys. So the 4 hour momentum is incredible. 4 hour was very good. So trading is so random for you guys to have an idea. So I almost get stopped out here. I'm talking 1 to 2 ticks. My entry was here. 05 3/4. My stop was 05 50. So actually 1 tick of being stopped out. Um that's why you have to embrace the randomness of the market. I like to see what's going on when we get here. I like to see when we get to like 27. Um, if the dollar is down on 104.60, probably I would take this. Have any of you taken any trades? Pedro, why are you waiting? Do you have any setup? Do you have any um playbook for today? Like for me, I had the short. I had the short so clear, like in this area. I it's not an excuse of for real. I had a I don't know. I was distracted talking here, and this thing just let me 1 second. And this thing did this, and then after this, I was like, all right, I need to get in. Oh my god, look at that! It moved 5 points in no time. After this move, it's hard for me to. So best case scenario would have gotten break even. So I don't get expectations about this move. It was it was going to be hard for me to take it, or I would have gotten target here. But no, realistically talking, I probably would have gotten break even in this one. So then I got a loser. I took a loser from here to here, and then I got this winner. I am +1. Um, I want to see this. I want to see this thing here. Yeah. Don't you think that doing nothing is bad? Like for me, doing nothing is doing something. In trading, that is a fact. Having screen time makes you uh start learning patterns and market behavior, market structure. And when you start seeing certain, you know, patterns after some time, you start recognizing them easier and faster. Where are you from, Pedro? Oh, where do you live? Yes. No, you. I mean, I respect that, uh, and I totally agree with you, and I like that. I certainly like that. Um, Patience is something that is definitely required. And when your setup is there, then you execute. Hmm. Yes. Nice. I went to Lisbon when I actually not Lisbon. I went to Madeira, but we stopped. Our flight went to Lisbon and then we flew to Madeira. It's beautiful. I love it. Nice. This might be it. Let's see if the 27 is gonna work. Honestly, now the momentum is shifted and the dollar is coming off of supply, so is far too is too far from the area of demand that I have here for it to give me this short here, and I'll show. Um, Look at this. Um, I don't think this area will work actually after this test here. So probably the bottom of the range, and this is yeah, from yesterday's and the previous day. No, yesterday. This is just yesterday. This is the bottom of the balance area for the entire week. Ultimately, it looks like the dollar wants to break down. So this is the range for the week. This is like the low part of the range, and this is the high part of the range. Let's see where the dollar wants to go. Like it looks like um honestly this pivot is already tested. If we come back down to visit this pivot, I would probably shift my view on the dollar. Or probably do this. Yeah, if this thing comes here, like I will expect something like this. A shallow retracement here and then a continuation to the downside. Even though this is a 30-minute, if you go to the daily, this is the high in the day, and this usually cause a big rejection to the upside when they work. Um, let's see how this goes. Dollar is still in the same position. I don't like it to this level. Or even if it comes down, I want to see it around like 104.62 for me to take this. Okay. Now the momentum and time of day is not the best. There's no momentum to either side. Like in reality, if you would argue where the momentum is, probably to the upside, but it's very slow. Very slow. Now volume has dropped big time. Like look at this. Here we had like 2000, 3000, 4000, 2000, 3000, 3000, 2000, 2000, 3000, 2000, 2000, 2000, 3000, 3000. Now look at this. 1000, 2000, 3000, you will argue. One and a half, one, two, one and a half, 900, one and a half, two, one and a half. I don't know. Like volume has gone down a little bit, and that's okay. It's normal, right? It is normal. So what I like to see here is aggressive selling here at around 26, 27, and the dollar in demand. But the dollar is not in demand. The dollar is just, no man's land. I took a long here. I took two trades. A long here, loser, a long here, winner. Those are my two trades. I did miss this one. This area is COT from yesterday. I cannot trade this chart. It has to be the other one. So I looked it out. Because what has happened to me is that this is the mini chart, right? Sometimes I see the signal and I engage here, sell or buy, whatever. And then my account is restricted. So I don't lose more than X, right? Um, all right, so 900. The dollar is just coming down. This thing is not gonna stop at 27. It doesn't look like. Who knows? Let's see. So now it's plus 800, right? Well, what I would like to see is something like plus 400 now in no time, like 1 to 2 seconds, or a spike and being plus 500 and now flat on the delta. Yeah, like 100 and 200, 400, 200. See that? Now it's getting juicy. This was plus 400. See how this one closes. Still young. Yeah, 400. So buyers are continue to buy there. 300. Dollar still in the same area, hasn't moved. No signal from this candle. 0. New one. All right, so plus 200. Let's see if we have like a 200, 300 seller there. And ideally, I would like this thing to just go up and the seller to stop prices, not coming down, because coming down, a lot of people are being stopped out, right? Yes, it was plus 300. Now it's flat. Yeah, let's check on this number here. Yeah, plus 290. Now it's negative minus. Yeah, it's not bad. Where's the dollar at? Hmm, there we go. I'm gonna take this, but I'm gonna risk very little. Hmm, dollar no bueno. Yeah, I'm gonna be stepped out of this one. It was fairly low risk though. It was a fairly low risk. 1.5 point. All right, let's see if the dollar can give us the push. It doesn't look like, to be honest. And this is a young candle. Yeah, there's no momentum. There's no momentum in this trade. There is zero momentum. New 5 minute. Yeah, I don't like when this is acting like this, so I'm gonna take a lot, like a 1 point loss. Yeah, I'm gonna take it a loss here, or the break even, whatever. Yeah. Yeah, I took break even. I don't like it. I don't like when this thing is just not doing its thing. Um, there's no momentum to either side, so I closed the break even. I think it's a good decision though. Um, we do have some divergence on the take chart. Sorry, on the advanced decline, but it's not something that is significant, to be honest. So I'm playing the momentum play here. Very low risk, very low risk, and very close target. So it's not like this trade that I took here, right? Where I was risking like 3 points, 3.5. I'm risking 1.5 here, right? I'm risking one three quarters. So it's very close. Um, since it didn't go my way immediately, I closed the break even. Yeah, dollar is dropping. Um, we do have some sort of divergence, not something spectacular to be honest, but yeah, I would have gotten stopped out. I would have gotten stopped out there. So I would have gone stopped out here. My stop was 2750. Yeah. And this thing is not like this. So how clear is this one? Like boom, boom. Right? I would have thought like this could be this. Yeah, but we didn't have follow through here. So even I even risk the entire area or no trade because it's since it's a value area, it's gonna do this. Like this was definitely not a value. Like we came here and immediately rejected to the upside. The thing is that the dollar is still not in position. Look where the dollar is. The dollar is up here. I would rather just the dollar being in this level somewhere around here. But look, it is going down a little bit. It is coming down from 27. But that's good that I took it up break even right here. So the entry was 27 and I got in like 26. So that 1 point makes a difference because I didn't want to risk too much. I was betting the reversal. I was betting on the reversal here. Now, what happened in this candle when I was not in the trade? Is this one right? So you can see some of these ones like 242 minus 38. Like this one, 222 or 20, 126, not much. 234 minus 118. But the volume is definitely lower, so it's coming down on low volume. Yeah, this one a little bit higher, but not much. All right, guys, this is it for me. I have 3 trades today: one losing trade, one winning trade, and one break-even trade. In that order. So I took this loser here. I entered up here, stepped out here, right? Then on its way up, I took this one from here to here. How much was this? So I risked in this one. How much I risked? 375. So I took like 2 to 1. With commissions, I'm +1. And then not a long time ago, I wanted to take this one to the downside here, and I closed it up break even right here. Now you don't see the entry was here, and the break even was this one right here. So that's my recap for today. See you guys tomorrow. Trade safe. Bye bye.